a good day. I just found the Borracho taco truck out here in Boone, and we are getting tacos, and I am delivering tacos out because y'all need to try this. I have shopped for the best tacos out here in central Iowa, and it is at Borracho Tacos. They have 3 different salsas, and I tell you what, it is the best. And I have found her. She's here. She's going to be joining us on our beer and taco tour coming soon. Let's go. Okay, so I have captured some Borracho tacos. There is 3 sauces, so I'm going to put the sauce on each taco and we can get a review. Let's go. Now, Borracho tacos with the orange sauce. Is it better than the red?
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah.
like it?
Mm-hmm.
And is that taco still better?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
For sure.